Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
We will discuss and we'll talk to them and we'll see what has to be done. But there will be no change in the government, in the cabinet.
So we have seen the BJP's statement today joining the NDA government.
See, they have, we have to understand that they have extended a letter of support and this extending the support to the government and being, on issues that are important to the state. And I've again and again mentioned that this will not affect the relationship and the commitments that have been given to the different coalition partners. I'm very, very clear on that. So therefore, I think nobody has to take it in any other sense, but look at it as a positive development of legislators coming together to ensure that important issues of the state can be addressed in a united manner.
But the BJP has maintained that
I'll call them for discussions.
Cannot work together. Sir.
Sure, I'll call them in for discussions and then we'll try to resolve the issues.
But is it not a burden for you? You are 60.
All of these come with challenges, but as I said, it also has its plus points and advantages because, as I said, when we have people coming together and especially supporting the government in all the work that is done, it helps us to move, in a much more confident manner. So there will be plus, there will be minus, but I strongly feel that this message of unity and working together would be, more on the positive side than the cons of this entire situation.
You believe in more the merrier?
No, I believe that unity and the message of unity is good. I feel that when important issues like border issue are being discussed, when we have issues like now the HNLC discussions are going on, I think it's a positive message to the people of the state that their legislatures are working together. I think that's what they think is. It's not about more the merrier. It's not about burden. Of course, there are going to be challenges like that, but I think one has to see the larger picture and the larger goal.
Are you inviting TMC also to join so that there is no opposition? Support the government.
It's up to them. If it's not my call. It was a call that was taken by the Congress, by the CLP, that they would like to support. So that's not my call.
Them if they...
Well, let them write and then we'll see.